Ujama kwa mfamu tune for what TV plus. Ujia ene kasama for team legal wife for mukasa de mama mi Akosua Serwaa ene omatu Japan ye no mo so mo ntiase ese Ghana ha se ya wa hemfo akese e wa ha se omutimi e bo mo ho menade o monsa esi o mo bo e kasa me yo hena se mesi me ye wa hena si me yo hena si insase we ye media me kuro firi ha kopem wa se we se nso banso nso no nso toto ayampe asem se me nso wa hena we ni tumi nuru medie chesensensem bebre na nso ma we Akosua Serwaa ensem ba ye na hemfo na omutuo challenges to omself no omantimi sabi amfa aye omonan ensi fomanka se o ye kan nsem ni bi korampo e de ama aye Akosua Serwaa eno mote wonom na sabi ensem a emfata ena omo ani edi akiri na abusia anso no wie no mo sane o ma no e de agu asofo a ewo oman Ghana mu se Bible korampa me ate ase se wo ye osofo a wo hira ware so ewie a e wo se o make sure se aware na wo hira so awie no Bible se e wo se oba bi anya bema baako na bema bi anso nya oba baako enti nsem we si a ekoso no Ghana fo asofo peso mo kire se omunhunu se legally Akosua Serwaa e wo right e wo eyeda de lumba eso ana a omo so tete wonum na nsem a ense emfata no mu di akire na abusia politicians nso age wo mo de e wo ho a abusia gya wo mato e de akọ Ghana politicians so president ya etwamu current one wo so ministers ya etwamu ni current omo wo so nyina abusia ne omadwo omo de e wo wan kona enya asem keto ne gya wo mato ene expose se omaye no enya asem keto yenko kwaje nchirimu no mresisi aha eguso YouTube for TV plus.
What I say, so they have targeted them homes. They have built their home, property. This is the agenda, and we need to push government to look into that law. We really need to look into that law because since our passes our law, Sanya may start here and can number otikwanhu and I say otikrabia say, would this girl go and have children with? Because on him say ni manu benya baby. Because on him side, the law is now like that. So what are we doing as women? As here came, I say it's about a woman's future. Wow. And in the end, no, it affects men too in the end because Emma Bebre have lost trust in even marriage. Say, what's the point of even supporting a man? What do I say? Until we as women, I'm glad to say we are supporting each other. It doesn't matter which background you come from, but the sensible ones are really crying. Yesterday I was on Queen Emma platform. So I think I even slept through the night. I was on it throughout because at the end it's so painful. It's not about whatever say now or pre-way now what does she need. No, it's about say obi bu kwasia or somebody is trying to cheat you on what you have worked for. What do I say? And I'm even surprised say Samira was in this country the whole time. She never said anything about this thing. She never even mention anything until who said Nikno has won whatever. Now she wants votes, so she wants to buy queen legal wives votes. I'm so ashamed. Say see or you're very wicked that she's indeed very wicked woman. She's very wicked. So no your second wife. So how do we even think say she will come and support the legal wives? She won't do it. Because on also called GOB there. Because you need to around the same allergic send you resort fee. The first wife is at home. And no na why maga jano nam because on no who ye. We don't want to be going this way, but the way they are treating this, and I'm so surprised. Say our first lady has not spoken. I'm really me. I support NDC because of the good work they are doing. I'm a floating voter. I don't support any party. Me, if you do a good job, I'll support you. But I'm so disappointed in NDC because of this issue. Because even if anything, their wives should talk, and even our first lady, our vice, she's also a mother. She's a woman. What do I say? So this law should be looked at because and no nama all the young girls are targeting me. Maybe I call my son. I tell my son, say my house. I'm sure a girl will come after you simply because they are looking at the house that you live in. So I've told him, say, open your eyes. And if you purchase your Bible, don't even show that person your house. So my daughters, they or big deal, they don't even show them their house. Because people will look at those things and be chasing you. Not because they love you, but because they want some peace of mind. Baby, or dignity, to baby, it's so sad. So please, I don't want to talk too much, but I think say we should push this agenda, and if possible, no, that law should be looked at. And yes, sir, this it will be like that, because young ones, they don't like, they don't even want to do anything. They don't want to work. Who be a Jumakra, they won't come. Who more free education, they won't go, because on him says Sebi or and the leaders, where has even exposed them? So most of the rich men are doing this. Into who or Hannah say worry Bema was any watching because they are all doing it. I will not exempt any of them. I will not exempt any of them. They are all doing it, and this is why they are quiet and they are pushing for those agendas. What they are saying, because this is so wrong. It is so wrong. Obi Mami, at this age, she should be benefiting from what she has toiled for. Those houses now, families, she could have even rented it out and paid some of her loans. So what are we talking about? It's so sad. It's so painful, very painful. And the government, and baby and family, we will never sleep on this thing until they change that law.
Oh, Queen, line.
Until they change that law, we are not going to. Until they change that law, they need to go back into that law. How can you say Sebema, Sorina, or outside that child also benefits? Really? That child also benefits. So why wouldn't they go? Why wouldn't the women even lure the men into targeting Papa we was Kappa Mouse or Casbe Seten? Then she will do all sorts of things. Who form will make the pot? They want to clean the house wearing just pants. Into we or you are very busy going and coming. When nearby will make the home, they will be wearing some kind of dresses. So I'm not surprised at what has happened, because men are moved by what they see. Into Obano, she had her own agenda. She had her own agenda, but Odobroni should know, what she has done. No, Mano will be just say she has really put her children in a very dicey situation. She should think about it. Say or no. She should not be thinking about money. What is due her? I'm not sure Mami Akosua will not give her what is due her. Say law says, but whatever she even has, she's been asked not to even go near it. It's so wrong. And you see other young girls, other women, Mami, for insulting this woman. Insulting this woman.
That should tell you the kind of people they are.
God will punish them, man, kasa. Because then I said no Bible has approved of this kind of lifestyle. If you watch Ishmael from Hagar's side, and that is why Yasik has never been quiet. Ishmael is from Hagar's side. Hagar came into the marriage, and I remember look at Hagar ma. That is the Ishmael side now. No. So we should condemn this thing. We are not going to rest until everything until they've given everything that is due the woman. It is so wrong. Thank you.
You are done. Obomode. Na lankai Lady Gaga. Na lankai me pacho betimi o mute hono akasama me why. Nalankai, okay. We move on to Didora.
Yeah, I am. When me think I'm a chair with your four, I was so na. Now, Yamamia say me dear. Yen na crab boy pusa because they will be the same situation. The mere Kulimuya Japade a boom. It is a beer Cassia Bonti and Yakasabia. Or Banana no Shikuna, Nonya Yelia. Naya audience marriage, Naya say they are any for Sonia, the Ambassador, the my yen. It is about time I was sent penny for 1 mile. Almost to me, Mona Esi Sassemi, so no more year at 2 years, Mamma Akosua Serwaa, Onya justice. Because Naya supported because Naya ma. Yemu be the same similar problem. And to say young support try, I say, a young quan nature, the nature, Jim, was yes, you get your home, the name, ye be a support. Not peri Akosua my. And yes, side check it for no, they will take advantage. Pass someone for folk no bed, if it's someone in some war. And when I was share, Papa Naja Padia, me can be an hour wa break. Patrosa what ya say, and yes, penny for ne say. Yenim some mutie omuntie so mutie wa sopem. Nasa emra no omunhwe enye bibi say audience marriage yent me fan compare efia wade da. Because in cases I call court, and yet to say, double any man, media ibida. So we a fear warrior, we audience marriage, and to me the same with that. It's a judge now declare Muturing I said they are both of them are wives, Nidia. A corrupt way pana or ye no. What you will say, a call being a buyer because would you cry won't see evidence in I yes see. Omuna so ase wu according to Ebusia Penny. Odoboni data yes they were in 2010. That the Lumba FM registration e was so no also yes single and in 2012 was 2014. In 2000 nyama bi wo wa NCC ni. Eti e was so mo hye e your man bi mo pa na ye wa e ka odoboni ba dis ka dancer wo nka was ye che no. What you say? It is a minimum some of the same and yes, politics because of Abia no why MPP no and find NDC one and said then ya. Me do no crime and say. Oh.
Yo, the Doris, waka say we. All right. Now, Lankai me pacho. Oh, I say I'll bet me on mute you no akasa. Yes, I'll move on to super cool. La Lankai. Super cool me pacho mute you no akasa mame why.
Yeah, Bishanko, good morning.
Good morning.
Where the Mechecha Biao, my dear party, legal wife, my dear, Namisha Munina, Namisha Yina. With the Massam Yabacope. Ceciano, Ghana 4 and penny 4, any politicians, you know, any even a software, any of him for no more catch, almost catch, you said, oh, your bow Ghana, who so name Faswana. I don't know, and marriage as a whole, you know. Who name Faswo Biomana? They should answer these questions. Now, who your bar when how to plan your life? One because as a SCC, any kwasiabuono adoso dodo. Now I pray, say this will be the last stop. No, a woman born in Ghana or being a Ghanaian will be like Yamame Akosua Serwaa. It stops with Akosua Serwaa. Oh, your banner say you continue to be like Akosua Serwaa, and you will judge. It's up to you. It's about time women we put ourselves first. We plan our life according to how we want, and live I don't even know the word to use for them. Huh? I don't know yesa. Who Mahama? Who money? Who Mau? Ah, and now we vice president. Not a word. Hey, mo okay, dear. Mo okay. Yes, and two yada way, and two yada. Really, I don't know. Must see ma 19 kojo ho. And then 2026, more than 26 ma. What kind of a country are we in? Justice, freedom and justice. No what you are saying. Freedom need your ho. Na justice in there. Adam na muguye ni mwasisa. The whole world is watching Ghana. And Penifano, hey, what did that? I'm sorry. Now, are you full of Bawomia wife or no? She better. I saw yesterday. somebody wo ho. Unya Ganani. Unya Ganani. Eti miawa no wo ho. Miawa no. Ghana for Kasabe Kabi. Who are you? Sister, me boyfriend, but I want to ask you, me that one say.
Gracia, me pacho, bet me I make you submission.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning.
Madam was some family and he made a Queen Mane Nashmi as so a juma more bonny and pay and no I'm free but I am a Queen buying now I had to drop down because some person here some no can I didn't make my submission. But an opinion person make and I say no UK now I learned something I've learned something the very hard way. So yesterday as the discussions were going on, I wanted to make a submission say because I grew up in Ghana, no, say ebi I'm a frobas, na say ebi obi atiato, and I say bibia you obi. I always say sorry. No one can say why are you sorry? Why should you be sorry? Because like you didn't take part in what happened. It's something that just happened. Inti say Samira say onyeshe, why should she apologize? Because you only apologize when you have done something wrong. You only apologize when you've done something wrong. So why should you apologize? And listening, no, Ebusia Penny can say, Mami Akosua Serwaa Embe apologize and san wamana you couldn't be. She didn't because she knew so onye she. So you have no need to apologize. It is if somebody is apologizing, it means they know they've done something wrong. Or they know they've done something that they shouldn't be doing. That's the only way you would apologize for something. And he said, if waye bibia, then they need to come out and say exactly what has gone on and then apologize from nakume munyina say that me yeah and team legal wives for so aji atumo into my submission no pay into. Thank you so much for picking me.
Obapa Grace, yes, I want to make it understandable here. Team Legal Wives, we came up here or we created this podium because of justice being denied to Ma Akosua Serwaa Fosu. We are not here because of politics. We are not doing politics. And we won't do politics. We are here for one reason, and one reason do we stand for. So justice will be given to the voiceless woman. That is why this platform was created in the first place. And say ensa kesio, say abasa kesio ne kita semwe mono. Mumanyame ensakra makoma because akoma edin na no edenyame ensem. Monfa ma me justice no. Munya de ma na me sake biom. Team Legal Wives yedi akodie ebegu fom esanse mama no kre ayejuma. Mami osu abana to ameka say so mami. That's it. Abnosu me chene de mawo mame. And yes, ataje me pacho bet me achia kasa de so mame.
Yo, Mesa Akosua, why my name? 2 weeks neni snow ne. Ajie ehi die molo. E wo budenche komo fempi ni mami ne. E beba homi. I think I can Germany slow up well in our America be near one.
Oh, when our collage, mamma, negative.
Oh,
negative.
Yeah. Just imagine. Come on, no nepo. See open one nepo. One nana. Oh, ya no chumo dress it almost sekelo kojibo. Ni jo ne beba tama fair name. Ne ke create a property fair. ni bo gbeke mi be ko mo na ni fi o mi na pesin ke fi keke inu sisa ke ko le ame tradition bona ma ame tradition yo noni ame fi yo si nashme mi ne ebe gama mi ye afi ne ke ye gama
Tabi.
omo ko ke nga ye ni leji mi si se bo nye no ja ko no ba ke si o ba no ba ja ni o han ete ni he ona ete ni he ni bo ba he e ka bo efe ko be da e bi ko bo sande da e na bo ya ko na bo mi e wo no po keke sano seje le mi gbeye ake mami ne ni fe le sakeje de wan ke ba shi mene e ke mi chon ko he ko o la ke no ya no ne ke gangbe ke yo ko opriga egbeboje won egbeboje won
Ganyo.
ha ba ko tayo go
Watchla kwashe asaji no eh.
onu si egbobodin e we ne po keke sano seje ngbeye ni komo me ni support yo ne hai ko moko si wo fe keje wo tuya mi wo le yo ne ye heko wo ke wo he mmesi wo hale ke wo ike gbomonye wo throughout the night ko wo 2 hours o here chefio o te platform ne no o ko no ni ya no mi na bai like seriously e towo ye bo priga onye no give up no na opposition deke yo fi o no boba somo o boba he o madam wuyede ko ba he na egbo eya te fi o tin igba yo ne ke sandeye ni mo ko wu ba gbo ni mo ko yen mi ba gbo na ba ke ka ne hin igba yo ne ke sandeye beja Ghana ma na mi pe na busu apen kolo e busu apen kolo kesele ba do mo si ne ka kesin le ke fun gbonu egbena no mo fi amosumo mini mi ojie ne kesande ye mini interest o yo ye lumba gbele mi lumba ne yo je le mi e ke bo yuo e ke bo ewie si ke sisa ye je ona lumba te si ye fi an ne yo ne wo mo fi an onyo mo ekome ni ashisu mo na be ke suele eteshi e ka wo ye sa mi eteshi ne ba die na se no ni ya no eye tan ni bo priga nu eni odombo he nu epo ni edomo he nu enpo enu eko nu enu lumba he nu eni nyeke futu nu emi e ahe mene ahe wo e ba cho nyomo ke ha bo no ko be ni bo ba fe no ba so si bo priga no mo ba wo bo nyomo ye no yo no ko be no ba fe de ba nye ha bo boko acha no
Mele mbeshake Ghana be ba hey because many small that lumba fe I'm a head no eda because I'm a legend empo here akenale na me ya henu ni egbo
nke wanya wo mi nu e wanya wo mi ka ganyo ke anye wo no ko mi e ama bi shishi aka anya wo no ko mi e mi ni je shishi boko he
any monya me pacho obetimi a omute hono akasa wa
ayo nashime me dase am say me ba so no send me request na me we adwuma mu nti me ye busy sa ya na nti me empeke ai na me nhira mo pa maba we mo ya ade pa kwenye ma ne ni team a ya na de bia me se mitimi be gina ase sa ade be sa me kwa akoda me sori ano pa pa me ba na mo wo so ya me nhira mo pa na mo ahoden a mo timi di be gina so maba wa na mo ya ade se akosha se wa adamase na omo nso ko interview no a ewo FM station ho nso nyame nhira o mane ne a otua eho ka nyina nyame o nhira no na sese de ye de asem no ekọ radio station so ma omo nti asem ni mu yie no omo nso so akotai ata presla na chi no omo hu se Akosua Serwaa onye eboni bia enti no mo de sa adwene ne ba ye ne de amoye nyina nyame o nhira mo na Akosua Serwaa asɛm yi de nyame anim ni emu ya yemu bi nanka yentimi mpo nkasa saa sɛ social media na sɛ saa TikTok yi so nanso ade no woda wontimi nda wani tipe na kyese na maame yi ho adwene woda hokora na maame yi ho adwene eye nyankopon na maame no ode ye ho dɔ abɛhye ye nyinaa ye mu a yenya en kyese ye wa akoma pa na sɛ ye ka no kore no ye de ye nyinaa ya na ye betai kiremu so life a na ye nso so ebi a ye wa ase na ye nso ye de mpaibɔ etaa mo nso so machi obi a wabɔ ne bra hwɛ woni ni kunu abɔ ne bra o ma ye investment wo Ghana na ata presla ne maame na e control bibia papa yi wuye asɛm yi ekɔ tie nyina ɔno ni sika na investment sika ɛna ata presla ne maame ɔmo di tuatua lawyer sika ɛna ye san de ko etia no asɛm ni mu ɔya dodo odobroni ni na busuafo ata presla maame enti anti sisi o se hwan wotu ekura se maame Akosua Serwaa akora chen wo abrabo na eye mra ka wasi dan ni bi ene wo ma no atim wo bai wo maame wo nimpa se wo bai ye nware no wodu wo ne wo bai so ba dadi lumba abrabom na owo ne yire na wo ye frɛ ne se wo mo japade nyina na o ma yeye enso mo ni briade eni adwen boni nti mo se mo de boni bedi maame no maame anti sisi enti wonim se wo je no me ama wo ma ene wo nana no ya de na maame wutiri mo ode sa wutiri mo na adi ana woni na brade meti ye kura ye si di si dan ni bi ama obeyi ene ne ma ama mo na matimi agye japade Akosua Serwaa ne kuna ye nyina da watena woyi mu ene na ye hwe last year ya mode to so ana ye nyina ye hwe bi wo Germany sa ayi ata president punch no se maame na kwa ayi no wo hye ayi wo hye winter boot amuwa enti maame no ne ye 62 no ko 63 no a ya wo winter time o me wo Europe ha ya wo winter time me adana ko mu gyina bonte kora na me adwene ho one na kuma no se wo mo anyini na enti nka onko hye slippers maame no wonya 2025 wonya 30 years wonya 40 years o 62 awoko 63
eno na che se omuntu kwanda omu ye nkrasefo omu kwebro trader
omu kwebro trader akoni mu ama maame obeyare ye tueti abrocha ha se ye me sorry ene ayi a me hye ayi me hye sneakers na mde akwa sorry because awono yesi ayi doctors timi ka se ukom ene wo nan asese wanhwe yie eho na awoni wura na akobo yare ti na ya na ye hye ye ya ne asade we mofra chichiri ye komu because eni se ukom hotokro na da ho na awoni wura mu a wo befa yare wo na ase enti maame panyi a wanyini sei ono so kura bo nyini pakase no akase fat wone ho nti awone de ne kura awonte onfa ne na onkokosha slippers ma wonko woni mu ekira no osan yare da ho na mo jimi na mo ka jimi fo nkurasefo se wo kwa yie no o hye wo jimi kura adodo mo da nim se ya na san kofo ni nim ayi se de ne gu o madwini mo se de ne gu o madwini mo enti ye de sami ya ba wo mi ade ye kan ne se wo si wunim ho hwe a ene se ye be ko ayi no api no ene se ne wo abekọ akọ ne jeje na aka se bi ahyase ne ayi first one no ye yate ye so na ye se akọ ne wo mo nkokasa na ne maame no ye mfa ne bere ema no ate because ni maame ni eji ontimi metena wo mu ha sei emmo bra mfa support ni kunu emfa nya investment ema sei bibia wo bi odobro ni ne maame na control ade no na maame sisi kwa na wo ye nipa bone sa aden enti wo ba ya na ayi Akosua Serwaa wonye na japade mo gini nyina boso sika investment ni sika wo mu na mo di twetwa nkofo ka di bi masa ayi fake evangelist na ono wote wono kwa abota na odidi nkwase asem no maame ni sika ni bi na mo yo na mo nyina mse nyame be twia mo ka he nyame ni mu bedi papa mo be bre papa maame ni bre ono ani sika mo di twetwa sa ata ho ahwe na no kra se onye nsuo advert kra wo hunu mpo ye hwede o kire nsuo no kra advert kra mpo wo hunu ye onye hweda na wo maame wa support obe so metena no won no nye japade asem yi ba ya ka nyina so untimi nka se ye je bibia mu ama maame wo mefa na ade ne yenko ne yekura no dadi lumba mpo ye bi ma ye na mo ye ni pabone sa mo tiri mo odin na mo ye wudi fo sa adai na mo nshiro nyame ana mo fi se nyame bia ni ho Mr. Nyamin Shatim legal wife, Muamunya, or dopa ni akoma papa ni adwene papa me a ye nyina ye di edi maame yechi. Nashme Nyamin Sha papa why ade me ready me tie you know na lady ni bo ni say woman dey a broken heart. Na so yes I walk around me queen he ya na mbete say okura wo ni okoda de ayi mu bi na so hu say eye bone wo twen wo ho. Ena still ano hwede maame fam nyina wanya edo de ma no nyame hwa ne wakoma pa ne wadwen papa ya wode ebo wo bra kwa abota sori a na ode mama yese mama Denise maame ene ono na nada de lumba pen ma Denise maame kwa abota wogu animu ase o wogu because obi ne yira be ha da wo maame fie wa ba wa na mama na di wa anware still hada so twekura ena fake evangelist sorry ana ogina wo se wo na no opew anka wa anware wo na no opew anka wo fufule enti kwa fake evangelist sorry ana oye ogu wanimu ase na ompew obedi wo no one na yire be ha da wo ma me fie ena odi wo Pew, better say we be stop us Africa, but they be no obo din say we na no opo no stop no. Me da be kra kama ka chen so nya me din bo because say ni wu. Oprika nya bibi no no ade o mo ye no mo ye ya no ka ho a. Da di lumba ho na o ware ne ka no ye no. Sa oprika kra obe wo 7 no sese no. Aware busa say aware kra ya ware ni bi. Obi ono asem ko twa. O ma me kra ntimi megina ho ni adanse say ye ware. Ho na gi aware no. Why crampo na obegina ho say ye gi aware
akontase kan kwenti mi ambedi adanse akontase kan kwenti mi ambedi adanse so no obedi akontase
ne ma me ne papa
mi ji ni die tumu
etimi ji ni die tumu me se Ghana na nim se kuro no kure nim nipa ne bi nanso maame Akosua se wa asem ya me mu se Ghana chese wo bia no kure pa chese em se nipa be 2% bi pe ne ka no kure chese penimfo nyina no kure bia ni baabia bone saa na wo mama enipa ebre innocent people ebre wo man ni mu because ye leaders nyina adwen bone saa ye frɛ papa se bone no kure wo ho a na ye se ye bone ne ye de bone ene ye de kat ye de hye papa mu bone saa na ye de bona wo mama ekuro no sei na ye ebre na nka maame Akosua se wa asemu ye da ho pefe se maame anka wodi bim na samo ede enso hwe so oprega kora we motimi adi aka presla we sei benten achi ono nko anchi mo sesamra ana mudi bone Francis Samira Bawumia me enim sa mo som no mutimi ware dodo but lumba no nya sa asom ni anase wantwu so Ghana ye wo 3 marriages na wo ho no mo okofa ordinance marriage nti ementi ase nipa bi nti ase obi timi ka se adi ase de ositie ko ware ma atan kora nkanye hwe wantwu so sa ware ye no ordinance marriage na die wo twu so ye no so so emra se untimi mfa bi nka ho enti muntimi nka se yi hwa ye second wife na do ware wo yi na wo monti ase ana se lumba ware ye no enti na wo mpeso mo beje maame ne certificate se atum no
eni monya dadi lumba etna and the dusty choso eka se me yiri Akosua Serwaa na migusu ne wo aware obejina the stage so 10 months prior to his death se me yiri Akosua Serwaa matisika aware no entimi nye mesada papa no aka atoho se oba oware no eye baako pe
and saying that Opriga was right there
eye interview no o mane kra wan kan o mu anka ne mane hu enso sa time no wa wo mo wan kan wo mano anka ne manum na maame Akosua Serwaa enim ane die ye mu miensa One kind woman, one for back and can was in my num. What should I tell you? That is an qualani bono on Jim say. On Jim because now what would that in so a canum no and on him say way a me bear me mumma. What should that tell you? Priscilla, baby you. She be ye na nimo intimi wa etete won toma.
Tete won toma.
Asana wo bo ede to ho no.
Na shimene maame no kura na ya na me ho yese maame panyini ti say pa maame nso eta ne ba nachi e na me kan so nti oni te wo gye no mi ama ne ma ene ne nana no mo ana. Ei mu di boni say. Ei sa ta Presley.
Anyone ya
me da say obi nso nka bi amiti.
Obi nso aso. Hannah B Mr. Otemenka betimi amute ho no wakasa. Anabi.
Your friend can no feel bad for me. About mamile shoe ne
wukete. Mami 1 minute.
Boot ni wukete yala na me mole. Me ni domo be 52 years na kan years. Saturday nente yala. Boot eko ni ngo yen slit shishikete. Mi po boot no ngo yen slit shishi ninkete. E wane me ni ngolo yo enemy. Yo no plak pa ne ye 63 years fen ne e ya bo sleepers ne ka nyem boko ya ga shishi.
Ona ke wo me ni wo fa gbe ni wo le the season ke dressing na dress o wo ba wieko because wole ake weather conditions makes decision on what you have to wear. Mine woni many te yala fe amewo jacket. Yeah, no, she na me bote hole na me jacket. What should I tell them? Let's not give them that attention because ke ame fan bedang ni amete ablochi ni winter me ame aji ame na ne he koni fen aboti ame me.
Me ko search me po ne.
What that should tell you the kind of people they are in me. That should tell you. Afako bedang ayakwa ablochi dang. Na Kotoka International Airport ka meteje mebe ekola ame weku nyokwa lo nya nyoko na ajele gbalo ayawole. Abote ko terminal mindang. Ewa me lebe ni weather yo. And ameliake ablochi weather determines what you wear. Kote store say ke summer time oya na winter atale stormy. Ke winter time oya na summer atale ke Kotoka ye stormy. Ewa ame fako bedang ame late. Well, let's just laugh at them like they are village people. They are villagers. Hannah B ofane obanyo o mute he no wie. Hannah B me pacho betimi o mute ho no wakasa.
Otemenka.
Yete wonka pa baba.
Me pacho mi chiechia mu nyina.
Kejo so.
Mpacho asem kakra bi na mepese me din kan address ansa maka ma asem ameka na ni chichiu enkoma Queen Emma eni obi biara o platform yi so asem kakra meka ne se endra anajo no na omoka bawumi ayera asem no na nipa bebre like binum na omo pese me pese ye be fa team legal wives na as just a team is a movement ena me pese ye be no political party issue ye political parties bia eni asem ye gina ho ama justice, and justice for one is justice for all. Ena as asem we a ekoso no enya asantefo asem na enya tribe any other tribe asem enya se ma akosua ya asantini nti ena ewo se ye di nachi na emom eye efiefie mu nyina asem mi ameka sei menya asantini nti metwi ni kura to de bia na etutosi mi be bia men asante me maame ne me papa nyina eye nordness
me mama ye gonja ni me papa ye dagatini, which means I'm not anywhere near an Ashanti. But asem no ewo efie biam ena de enti ama me support mama ne say uba north krampo na ye ware bebre ye ne de ye busuafo no nka omo agi atum na emom eye nidie ye di nidie ma de nidie sem se penyin be ma no chusu so be ware 10 na se munyina ma agi atum se mo be ware ba be ma ba ko a ade ba fie ye di nkan ko consult penyin no se sister yenya ne sen sister yenko ne sen sister asem sei na abo eduane be ne ye eyi o abadin tu ya consult penyini but girl ne twa ne ho a oye sa ne amaniam na ono no mbom nka kire oyere ne se ya anware no odi nanimu twitwi fom asesa ne busuafo nyina ma oma beje ma me ne busua ne japade aboso no enu mum yawo na ama ye ne asam yi kura mfa ye ho yesu ya yeden ya ba be join ni a ye ko it doesn't matter about any political party, whether NDC or MPP. Omo no dia like omo pe dia bema omo ani age. They think of more about themselves, not us. Embra samira ba umia ba ya obeka na se bebrebe. Ono ni party no ho se ni kunu ba be president. No ba be first lady. Eno na odwen ho. Enye yene ye fa hodie. Yene ye like dia bema ye boato ye yem. Ena odwen ho. But ebi mu no tribe na asantefo ni bi mu so mo ba na mo ba be kasa. Se bi mo fancha me. Se mekana fancha me. Se mekana entafo no se mu kasa na ye ne a ya bedwan ne mo ase mu bi mu pese o mu kasa na o mu fa ye nyina ya mfra yeso no ye enye ye nyina na ye support because ye nim se de amamre esitie ene amane esitie inti no se aya tie inti no se aya yes sira se ebi mu bana se omo otasa wed na midinya midin sira mo momma omompo so no on reverse on retract ne word a okaya no na yenya ne se yenyina justice for ma Akosua is justice for all mimiti we menware ye na so ko he me okọ me page so a de bia me postu ma Akosua me support no me nishi me nitika me de ya bet na mo me promote se de nipa behu no kora ewo mu onye mebusuani oji ne japade akora menka nanso de ofa mu no eye me maame anka be ye me ya nna daache me ware na se di bi ye me ya ebe ye me ya enu ti na ma yenye no yenya asantefo yenye NDC fo yenye asantefo yenye NDC fo yenye me no kura ni mmom ebe ba na ye nyina ye de ye ni age na yakoma to ye yem ni ehu se daache bi se ba ebia ye de yasamba krapo obi betimi ayeda team legal wife for movement mo betimi aka bia ayeda habua nipa foforo nso eninti yesre ukwada platform enda no pai na munyamba ya me ana se na mababet na me so me wo me ye adwuma na ehye me botom na me tie me de koto other platform omuka entafo na omo de entafo na ese niam bebiri yesre mu yenya asantefo mu be ye support mu ena asama mesan ka biem ne se omo se daddy lumba ono na oba ya oya anware no ono no beka ache maame ne se onye yere onfa maame ne divorce letter embra ojina stage so ena lumba ka se ka lumba woni maame obeka se Akosua Serwaa omo se Akosua Serwaa na poison me nanso enya Akosua Serwaa na poison me nanso lumba na mo hwe ne video no ma ordinance e kire ne boso aka se me yire o se me yire Akosua Serwaa nko betumi aka se ebi mu si Akosua Serwaa na poison me abra na wambo eyire din nka ye ni asembia nko beka se Akosua metiti se ebi mu si Akosua Serwaa na poison me na se nka wanka se me yire a nka se abre president wudi president nka yetu edi wachi nanso ordinance kire ne boso ena oka se ono ne yire wanka se ne yire dada enti no se wo be ka kire ono ne yere ne se wagya no de atumi be na wo be ka kire wonimu adekura mudi nkan eye abusuapenya asdua sesa no muni nyame nko ana munim but boni de o cover nyina o try so be cover ne say oni Intino bimu oka ebusuapenyi from day one no was all try say obe cover anything oye de oye nyina oninsa papa ni wuto oninsem only any explanation oni masama obeka akire ebusuafo nanso woni mebusuafo ni bi at least utwa antro ekire eyi mu se woni mebusuani bia wonji phone ma woni obi ankasa nanso woni
me sorry say me interrupt you me sorry pass me interrupt you Mauto
Yes, me
mama pacho men tap
okay.
This announcement we may make you uba you pick you why you some in support here by tapping and sharing. But you pick you men tap bium. We are so reducing number no. Yes, sir, mo why pacho pa mummy in this answer share so ma MY. When you pick your mouth box in ma don't tap again. Leave it for people down. We see from our between tap here boy damas.
Okay.
Hana Mr. Ofacheme why to us so.
Amateur, mo be
intino onim obi akran unim ma Akosua brempoma papa ni wu fresh no nka ono na wosanka unim nka papa na to ne kon wu ya nka ono na wosa wudi nkan frɛ no sister say na esio but onim say papa na wu ato ne nsem na nam no so ma papa ni wu ye ne ntino abonten sofo na wo kɔfrɛ wo ena wo kase wo de wonim ebusuani bia esan boni a wo wedi a wo pese wo protect papa no so ote ho no nipa bebre ne sere kwa omo because onu unya asama wo de ko bebi a enye yie wo de ko bebi a enye yie nti nipa bebre mi ni papa no ahyempase nanso omu nim ko yom befa so metua ne soka nti wo na wo be no na wadi ne bone na wo de na koma na tamfo no nti they will try to cover you up. Don't want good papa any mass. Essence and uncle more pay dada. The woman you call on Befa so mbeye. Adia o ye nina or ne papa na or more no almost serequano or more bay or no moody enough for now or more type papa na underground or no money this answer was swaying na never the AC. Enti yes remo the AC no dear and yes ye eya adisua na wose yesua bibi free mu but justice ne de ye nyina ye bedi machi nti na yakwa ama maame no se de be ya enije be de be ye nyina yakomam na ye bi mu ye da ye nda nti Queen Emma ntafo di title ne de mesrew wada woroma obi aba na obeye mistake a man retract ne word na na mfa asundue mbra medam ase Mano esiwa medam ase.
Oh ya da wasi Hana. Na a friend is saying, what's my kind of person can be big to be found? Your best friend. So what I say Santifoni say casa ya na ha dwe no pa no waka no. Na emom no. Say a platform for so na kan ya dia. I don't know. I na mama ye di so kama ni address was our platform no so. Oh, they be chair. Acho where see from? Oh, okay. It's your best friend. Mo down. No bar. No ama kasa ho ate. On mu nyina ye nuanom. Obia de oye ga na ni ye nua. De onye ga na ni kura bo ye nua. Ti yesrew. Oba no ama kasa ho ate. Se na be ya Yeah, omo support Mami Akosua Serwaa na all parts of the world and they supporting TSR mo mama kasa ho nti why e pam trouble be.
Me pacho mincha wano enye se platform foforo nko a endra na jono on se endra na jona na meti se sa ansem sam na ekoso nti na maso esisi kura na etie na me fa mu dai na sa na di ewa mpacha anai kama na Queen Emma address ba umia yere asem no na bi mu no collect omo frefren ebi mu na omo use word no nda no pay so me kokwaku Kristo platform na bi mu nso use entafo ne ade na yesa enye yesere mu
Yo ya
dama
Baba na my ye address dream maybe meaning the tea or see mammy come me can't send the show before we see. Sometimes when yin na ye kasama ye ho a wo bi a kasa ho nte obi timi sorry no attack asantefo obi so sorry no attack brofo ni bi so sorry no attack friend say in for yeah wa ha ni na sa ni na tribes ni na ebi wo so I hardly say e ba ha say and no there was misunderstanding. I think say Fulani people so I wasn't fully here, but let me with you. Let me see. Rakia is good. So wabaso, and I will basu kakana now so koda. And I saw some nearby and see Hannah. It drew maybe at the way mokasa wakasa fine, but it drew a chain now water can. And yes, I say, wako Kristo we near Bema. Maybe DS in our own pa. For Kwaku and Wakacha Kwaku say, the patch of brass, say ni see nurse no, and ye. What about Kwaku din waha? Wacha baby I will be true no baby I wa say I say enka Kwaku asem in a wrong way obi be picking all the akoma Kwaku say obi gina ha say ya wo kasa asem no and I allow na akoda ne ncho kwa me pa so mama ana oba na obeka asem a baby asem ne ko si ye no ko address no ho eno anadwe si wa ha say ne ya address ye Emma bibia to try. Ukwana say what try say yempeko. Yempeko kwa you can write it underneath there.
With the phone no me phone no freezy implement there na no bi be kan.
Hana say eno anadwo na ye ka bibia about on say Fulani bi be free time ana ye ka your friend say Samira Semono.
Yeah.
I'm uncle for address, but on no person she say na use center phone and sign me money. And
it's never true. One kind of phone.
Yes, but it make us say address him meaning so tie kwacha wenti. But o say na akosi kwaku Kristo ono aba ha say. Na make a try say sasem kosi baby.
Na sasem kwaku Kristo adenti oba na wa ba be kawa.
No koka because they say auntie the who yen so auntie me anko chire na be case abeto auntie next time no kwoti asem o baby a e nyina na ye kan
exactly
me pa chop address wo e ma ha me address e ma ne me problem na the rock ya wo she here so kasa me
Sabi mi ni wa ase Rakia menti sim sam pacho nyabote
Rakia ma gudi anu siwa pacho
me pacho ya ne
me pa mo chebusu afo obi obe fra or the platform for fra send the baby am drop me sremo
Sister Emma mpacha me na me bae initially na me kasa no mandinka ambo Kwaku Kristo din na me address Sister Emma say ono
me pacho o address ni nyina wi e na wanu see into one who see no and I just man bisa say adewe ehefa ni see and I shall say mention names into no ho asem na ye kan say o ka say esi wo e ma ha nko a aka fry enough ke be address o direct but wo say the din bia be better ehwe mame waka na wa ha wo ko kwadu wo ko na wo nua no enu nti na ma ye be ma ne wa be kasa enye bibia nti wasi ase Kwaku ye nua bema so fro bi okra back door na one ne kan ko besi akokwaku wore na baka but waka na front door no obi abeteke ne de e de akoma me eno na ye kan ho ase me pacho next time ba ye mumu bi no aye wa ha sei no sebe ebi mu ye mpepemfu aye no mu di agwa problem bi ambai Mr. next time e ma platform so ba sa asem na de Mr. Wadawma ebi a yɛbɛka but yɛbɛ address na obi afa no ho edi Mr. my be mo masubim odama me that's
Hana, I reckon I would say Hana. You are good here can I sabe pepe. Menya you be say me pon a mesenya ma queen. Minim say o ma send ya man dada I don't know.